Installing a custom floating stair system into your home is actually simpler than it may seem. Here's a step-by-step walkthrough of how our Viewrail Installations team does it. Step 1. Attach the lower insert foot. First, our team of installers identify the lower stringer insert and slide the foot insert into the stringer body, making sure that the holes are aligned. Then, we insert the flange bolts through these holes. After this, we locate the access hole. We set a 1/2-inch washer on each bolt and begin threading on each nylon nut. Once the insert is evenly seated against the stringer body, these bolts are torqued up to 70 pounds force foot to ensure that the foundation of the system is sturdy and secure. Step 2. Attach the upper insert foot. After the lower insert foot is attached to the stringer, we rotate to the top end of the stringer and slide the upper stringer insert foot into the stringer body. We repeat the same steps in this process that we went through in attaching the lower insert foot. Step 3. Raise the stringer. Next, our team utilizes a system of pulleys or come-along winches to raise the stringer into precise, pre-marked positions as established in our engineered drawings. Beginning with the stringer header, we systematically fasten lags through each hole until the stringer is securely in place. It is important to note that the stringer must be fastened to triple 2x8 or double LVL material. After this, we ensure that your stringer is level and use custom bolts, washers, and nuts to fasten through your mounting material until they are all snug. Step 4. Fasten the footer. After the header is properly secured, our team verifies that the field evaluation of the blocking is correct, and if it is, we begin to fasten the footer to the foundation by pre-drilling all mounting locations. Then we shim the stringer as necessary, ensuring that it is perfectly level. Finally, we fasten the hex head lags into the flooring structure. Step 5. Attach the tread brackets. Now that the stringer is securely in place, we prepare the stringer for your treads by placing metal tread brackets onto the stringer. Each bracket is fastened into place with flange bolts that are torqued up to 70 pounds force foot, beginning with the bottom and working upward. While it would be simpler to do this off-site, shipping these tread brackets separately allows the stringer to be lighter and easier to maneuver in the field. For reference, each bracket weighs approximately 20 pounds, which really adds up over the whole system. Step 6. Attach the treads. Once all of the brackets have been attached to the stringer, the next step is to attach the treads. Beginning with the bottom tread, we drill hanger bolts into each of the pre-drilled holes. Then, we place the tread on top of the bracket and fasten them together using hanger bolt nuts. Once we've ensured that the tread is sitting evenly on the bracket, we fasten the tread with our lag screws. While the underside of the first tread is challenging to reach, the pre-drilled holes in the tread and the tread bracket make this significantly easier on installation. After the first tread is attached, the remaining treads are fastened in the same manner. Step 7. Attach the nosing block. Once all of the treads are in place, the last step is to attach the nosing block. The nosing block is a small extruding block of wood that transitions the flooring of your top level to the stair system, hiding the header of the stringer. Our team refers to the custom engineered drawings to locate the proper location of your nosing block. Then it is mounted to the wall using 6-inch lag screws. Once the nosing block is level and properly positioned, the nosing piece is placed on top. We secure it by applying wood glue on both the inside of the nosing piece and the blocking piece. Once it is firmly pressed into place, it is secured with a few trim screws, which are then covered with wood putty. Step 8. Attach the bracket covers. Your floating stair system is nearly complete. The final step is to attach the bracket covers underneath the stair system. These covers hide lag bolts and fasteners to give you a clean and finished look from every angle. To attach the covers, we simply run a thin bead of silicone sealant around the perimeter of the bracket covers and place them firmly in place. Each insert is custom routed in our wood shop and magnetized to ensure that the seal is secure. This process also helps eliminate any rattling as you travel up and down the stairs. And there you have it. In just 8 steps, your custom floating stair system is securely installed and ready to impress.